Hi, and welcome to Clear Rushco. I'm Dallas Roseveare, Chief Business Development Officer. Clear Rushco has been and continues to be the pioneer of the enclosed vapor combustor technology in Canada. 7 years ago, Clear Rushco worked with producers and regulators to design the enclosed vapor combustor to provide producers the lowest cost per ton of CO2 reduction technology on the market. The result of this hard work is a clean combustion device which can be safely placed within the teardrop of the well site as close as 10 meters to existing facilities. Since that time, Clear Rushco has deployed hundreds of combustors in Canada alone. This has resulted in an emission reduction in excess of 1 million tons of CO2 per year. Further to working with producers, new technology required new or revised regulation. Clear Rushco has championed regulatory changes in order to provide producers the flexibility and community the assurance that this technology can be operated without negative impacts on their health or the environment. An example of this is previously producers were not able to place an enclosed vapor combustor within 500 meters of a resident if the well was venting more than 500 meters cubed a day. Clear Rushco, along with a local producer, organized and set up a testing project to examine the emissions resulting from clean combustion. Together, we were able to show and prove that the combustors could be safely utilized within 500 meters of a resident with no adverse effect on their health or the environment. The resulting regulatory change within Directive 60 now allows for the use of the enclosed vapor combustor within 500 meters of a resident. Now let's take a closer look at a couple of the enclosed vapor combustor models Clear Rush offers. Here we have our patent-pending BGR36LP. This particular unit is a large volume enclosed vapor combustor which will cleanly combust waste gas from sources such as storage tanks, casing gas, or pipeline evacuations. As you can see, the BGR36LP comes fully equipped with air intake flame arresters, and these air intake flame arresters are crucial to the design of the enclosed vapor combustor. Since we're operating these in a reduced spacing application, we need to ensure that any vent gas that may be in the area is pulled into the combustion chamber through an API-tested flame arrestor. These flame arresters will cool and extinguish any flame as it tries to pass back through on its way to the source. That source could be a tank truck, storage tank, leaking flange, etc. The results of not using air intake flame arresters can be catastrophic. The outer fire tube is full 304L stainless steel with a full stainless steel inner liner, which provides for the longevity that producers desire. The units can be ordered with a mating base plate or a freestanding base. The waste gas connection is a simple 2-inch NPT or raised face flange. The combustion within is ignited and controlled by the industry-leading, fully CSA approved B149 compliant ACL CSC 400 burner management system. Here we have the patent-pending BGR Cube 1000. A couple years ago, we were challenged to design a low-cost enclosed combustor for a client in Saskatchewan. The Cube series was a result of that challenge. These low-cost units are fantastic for lower volume vent gas from such things as storage tanks, casing gas, pneumatic instrument venting, and compressor vent seals. Again, as you can see, all cubes are equipped with air intake flame arresters, as well as a pre-constructed B149.3 compliant valve train and burner management system. This provides for a very quick and easy installation. Literally, the producer will connect to this half-inch ball valve. A client recently attested that the installation of the cube takes all of 15 minutes. Let's have a listen.
The install of the cubes right now, we're doing 10 a week. I do the pads like that for 3 things. One, it gets it off the ground a little bit out of the mud and whatnot come spring. 2, it'll give us a buffer zone around the cube so that if things do get hot, there's gravel, not any kind of flammables. And 3, it's a level, nice spot to put it on for quality. And it takes all of 10 minutes to offload off the truck and set these down when we pre-build all this stuff.
Clear Rushco designs and manufactures the complete system, including the industry-leading ACL burner management system and flame arresters. This allows us the flexibility to really tailor the design of each product to each producer's specific application and in the most cost-efficient manner. This also provides for faster lead times as we're not having to wait on third-party suppliers for parts. Clear Rushco also complements our full design and manufacturing team with a complete service and installation group. Our professional field group is able to install, commission, and train the operators on all our products and provide ongoing support 24/7, 365 days a year. Finally, each combustor we provide is fully function tested at our facility to be sure that it's going to perform as expected when it hits location. If you or any of your clients would like to see the enclosed vapor combustors in action, Clear Rushco would be happy to host a tour and demonstration of this clean combustion technology. Clear Rushco, the clear choice.